the elections that are taking place today. Now, the phase 4 voting percentage, the latest figures are with us. Let's quickly take a look at them. Pia, please shed light.
Indeed, the latest figures are out. These are as of 1 p.m. this afternoon. First up, Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir has seen a much better turnout than last time. The number stands at 23.57 till 1 o'clock this afternoon. But that is not all. If we can move on to the next city, Kadapa in Andhra Pradesh, where Y Sharmila is contesting, the number stands at 45.56 till 1 p.m. in Visakhapatnam. 34.74% of the electorate has cast its vote. But this is not all we're tracking from Andhra Pradesh. As far as Vijayawada is concerned, 39.69% of the voters have cast their mandate. In Begusarai, Bihar, where Giriraj Singh is contesting, 33.02% of the people have cast their vote till 1 o'clock. In Khunti in Jharkhand, 47.41% of the people have cast their mandate. In Ujiarpur in Bihar, the number falls considerably to 34.90. These are trends till 1 o'clock in the afternoon. In Aurangabad in Maharashtra, the voting percentage stands at 32.37% till 1 o'clock. In Pune in Maharashtra, the number falls even further to 26.48% till 1 o'clock. In Koraput in Odisha, the number is much better. About 36.64% of the people have come out to cast their votes till this afternoon. In Telangana's Hyderabad, 19.37% of the population has come out to cast its vote. In Nizamabad, the number stands at 45.67%. These are, of course, statistics we're tracking till 1 o'clock in the afternoon. In Karimnagar, about 45.11% of the electorate has come out to cast its mandate. In Malkajgiri, about 27.69% of the voters have inked their finger. In Sikandrabad, 24.91% of the people have cast their vote. In Kannauj in Uttar Pradesh, where Akhilesh Yadav is contesting, 43.14% of the electorate has cast its mandate. In Asansol in West Bengal, 49.55% of the electorate have inked their fingers. In Burdwan, a key battle is taking place. 50.30% of the population has come out to cast its vote. In Etawah, 37.68% of the voters have come to cast their mandate as well. In Behrampur, where Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is contesting against Yusuf Pathan in particular, 52.27% of the people have come out. In Krishnanagar, the number stands at 49.72. These are statistics we're tracking for all of you viewers till 1 in this afternoon.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.